How to factory reset ZZU T18 wireless earbuds in case they are not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of one ear, maybe the left ear or the right ear, or the volume is low, they're not working. Any kind of stuff like this can very often be fixed with this hard factory reset to the factory default settings. This is going to wipe everything off of your phone and everything like that, so you can start fresh with them, which is another reason you might want to do this. So before you actually reset the earbuds, you should just go ahead and just have your phone forget these earbuds so that you'll get a fresh start. It won't be trying to connect to something once you do the reset. And once you do that, you're going to take your earbuds out of the case, and you're going to come, and on the back of each of the earbud right here is a button. You can't actually push the button, but you can just touch the back. So you'll touch and press and hold for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it will cause that earbud to reset. So do them both at the same time. You'll get a little blink of the light, a white blink indicating that the reset is happening. Once that happens, you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds. And if you want to get new set of these earbuds, I'll put a link in a pinned comment below.